Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You will start immediately. Ensure your device is on the network you want to check and open a command tool or network settings. On Windows, press Windows plus R, type CMD and run. On Mac OS, use Terminal. On Linux, open your shell. This matters because local IPs are assigned per interface. Once you open the right tool, you can query the active interface directly. Make sure to elevate if prompted so commands return full details instead of limited info. Run the appropriate command, ipconfig on Windows or ip_ifconfig on Mac OS and Linux. Look for your active interface name, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and locate the IP4 entry. The numeric address like 192, 168, X or 10, 0. X is your local IP. Once you spot it, note the subnet mask and gateway to confirm it matches your network, and to help with any routing or port forwarding tasks you might do next. This shows how devices are addressed locally. Now verify the address by opening network settings or pinging your router IP. For example, ping 192, 168, 1. If connectivity tests fail, restart the network interface or toggle Wi-Fi to renew DHCP lease. Make sure DHCP is enabled on your router if devices lack addresses. Alternatively, set a temporary static IP in range. If problems persist, power cycle the router and check cables. A single troubleshooting tip: renew or request a DHCP lease before changing settings, since that often results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.